Hello and welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's session, we'll be covering Lesson 9, Corrective Action and Preventive Action, often referred to as CAPA. By the end of this video, you will understand the difference between correction, corrective action, and preventive action. How to use root cause analysis tools like the 5 whys and fishbone diagram. The steps to implement an effective CAPA process. The proper documentation requirements. And a real-world example from the garment manufacturing industry. Let's start with the key definitions. Correction is the immediate fix. For example, removing a defective label from a shirt. Corrective action is deeper. It focuses on eliminating the root cause, for instance, fixing the SOP or machine that caused the defect. Preventive action aims to prevent the issue from occurring in other areas, such as training staff across all lines. These distinctions are important during audits and should be clearly documented in your reports. To create an effective CAPA plan, you must first understand the true root cause of the issue, not just the surface-level symptoms. 2 powerful tools used in RCAR. The 5 whys technique. Keep asking why until you reach the root cause. The fishbone diagram, also called the Ishikawa diagram, which categorizes possible causes into groups like methods, materials, machines, and manpower. Example: a recurring issue of thread breakage was traced back to poor quality needles, not operator error. Here's a step-by-step guide to an effective CAPA process. 1. Define the problem clearly and factually. 2. Investigate thoroughly to identify the root cause. 3. Plan and implement corrective actions to eliminate the cause. 4. Monitor effectiveness. This is often missed, but it's vital for sustainability. Every step should be evidence-based and documented. ISO 9001 requires clear documentation of your CAPA process. Use a standardized CAPA form with sections for problem description, root cause, action plan, responsible person, and deadlines. Make sure to link your non-conformance reports from audits directly with the related CAPA. Ensure the documents are traceable, version controlled, and signed by the appropriate personnel. Proper documentation shows transparency and system maturity during audits. Let's look at a real example from a garment factory in Chittagong. The factory faced repeated complaints of mislabeling in export orders. Here's what they did. Trained workers involved in the labeling process. Revised the SOP for label checking. Implemented a dual verification system for label accuracy. As a result, the issue reduced by 90% within a few months, and the factory passed the next audit with no labeling issues. This is how a practical CAPA process works. Activity and homework. Now it's your turn. Activity. Use the 5 whys to identify the root cause, then propose a CAPA plan. Homework. Take one of your own NCRs from Lesson 8. Apply RCA techniques and develop a full CAPA report. We hope this session gave you a practical and clear understanding of how to use CAPA to improve your systems and avoid repeat issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get updates on new lessons. Join us next time for Lesson 10, Audit Report Writing and Presentation with Real-World Garment Industry Examples. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.